Tuna Arınç
increasing destination competitiveness. We have a project called Zigana Nature School. It's based on Gümüşhane province, and my father is the founder of the school. We actually inherited the school from the local municipality of Gümüşhane, and we are actually not in any work in ecological. We are only volunteers in this project, and this is all volunteer work. In the future, we hope to become an enterprise. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is the building. The shift from mass tourism to alternative tourism is a clear topic in today's world. Recently, such developments in nature and cultural tourism now, this field has become a highly competitive field, and we are looking for projects which can benefit from this advantage. According to the Ritchie and Crowd's paper, when destinations provide unique elements in their programs, they are more successful in the marketing, and they attract more touristic people in the area. So we have a goal of being unique in our field and also promote at a high rate of our school. So we think Okulu, which is in Gümüşhane, is a perfect place for this project to happen, because it's such a beautiful nature and has many other unique properties which other villages don't have, and we want to promote this. This study aims that to raise awareness and try to fill this gap in Turkey, what is missing in the natural ecotourism in our country. So what are our unique features? We are the first and the only nature school in Turkey which provides all these features all together. Ecological literacy, education and material are provided only and first in Turkey in our school. The festivals to conserve the cultural heritage, which I will talk about later, are also the one only in Turkey. The comprehensive education programs, sustainable focused activities, contributing to the local economy by local bazaars, which provide local food, and we also have nature and culture tourism in our school. Here's a little promotion video about the school. It gives great information. We were on the national news channel in Turkey, TRT, and it became a new in 2011. So I want you to listen quickly.